Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see who I like on Facebook dating. So here I'm on my Facebook app. So what we're going to do now is go to our profile and then select this dating option. Now here you will see the likes on the Like You page. So if you don't have any people who like you right here, you can do is to adjust your profile. So in this way, other might be able to notice your profile and start liking you, and then that's it. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.